Another new topic is genetic disorders, and this topic is for class 12th biology. Here we'll study about the genetic disorders and the causes of genetic disorders. There are four types of genetic disorders: single gene disorder caused by abnormality or mutation in the sequence of a single gene, means one gene. Then second one is multifactorial, in which the environment as well as the mutations they can cause genetic disorders. Then third one is chromosomal, the number of chromosomes or the structure of chromosome is disturbed, then the chromosomal disorders arises. And fourth one is maybe mitochondrial, non-chromosomal DNA, they can also cause some genetic disorders. So first genetic disorder is due to the single gene is hemophilia. It is the oldest known bleeding disorder in which the blood clotting factor is absent, due to which the blood of the hemophilic person is prevented to clot. It is a sex-linked disorder which is appeared mostly in male. Hemophilia is like any other sex-linked disorder because the gene of hemophilia is on X chromosome. There are two types of hemophilia: hemophilia A and hemophilia B. In hemophilia A, the clotting factor 8 is absent. In hemophilia B, clotting factor 9 is absent. Treatment of hemophilia. So number 1, clotting factor. It is given in different doses according to the weight of the individual and the severity of the bleeding. These are two parameters are giving doses to prevent hemophilic characteristic. And second one is recombinant DNA technology. Clotting factor gene are grown synthetically and they are introduced to the cell of the diseased person. Clotting factor products from human blood like plasma is not used due to the chance of being contaminated with viruses such as HIV or hepatitis. During the 1990, it became possible to prepare synthetic recombinant factor using specially prepared mammalian cells, and these recombinant concentrates are now widely used to treat the hemophilic patients. This genetic disorder is phenylketonuria, in which phenylalanine is not converted to tyrosine, and this phenylalanine accumulates in the blood and in brain also, which causes mental retardedness. This is a rare metabolic autosomal recessive disorder in which protein breakdown in the liver is affected, and it due to the occurrence of the gene on chromosome number 12. The mutated gene is supposed to code the protein which produce phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase converts phenylalanine to tyrosine, and if this enzyme is absent, then phenylalanine cannot be converted to tyrosine. Without phenylalanine hydroxylase, see this, phenylalanine in protein rich blood cannot be converted to tyrosine. Excessive phenylalanine in the body will result in the mass production of phenyl pyruvic acid, and this phenyl pyruvic acid cannot be absorbed by the kidneys, and thus excessive phenylalanine and phenyl pyruvic acid enters the cerebrospinal fluid of the brain and spinal cord, then the brain causing severe mental retardedness. So this causes severe mental retardedness due to the accumulation of these two products. Symptoms are there if untreated in infants. See here. So the severe brain damage may be epilepsy, behavioral problem, and stent growth. These are symptoms if it is untreated in infants. And other symptoms which are found in adults, mostly body odor, increased muscle tone, fair skin, vomiting, and active muscle tendon reflexes. They are shown in the adults. Next is sickle cell anemia. Here you can see this is normal RBCs and this is the sickle cell RBC. So in this disease, the RBCs become sickle cell when they are not getting proper amount of oxygen, so they don't carry the proper amount of oxygen to the cells, so the body feels the lack of oxygen due to the disease sickle cell anemia. The next disorder is the chromosomal disorder. This is Down syndrome. So the cause of this disease is the trisomy of 21st chromosome. This means that the individual has the trisomy of the chromosome 21st. See here, this is a trisomy of 21st chromosome. Here there should be 2 chromosomes, but there are 3 chromosomes. So this is a trisomy of the chromosome number 21. This causes the Down syndrome. Symptoms of Down syndrome. Number 1, upward slant to eyes, small ears that folds over the top, small and flattened nose, small mouth making tongue appear large, short neck, small hand with short fingers. These are the symptoms of Down syndrome. Other symptoms also: low muscle tone, single deep crease across center of palm, looseness of joints, small skin folds in the inner corner of the eyes, excessive space between first and second toe. In addition, Down syndrome always involves some degree of mental retardation also. The next is Klinefelter syndrome. So in Klinefelter syndromes, disorders due to the non-injection of X chromosome. The sperm containing X chromosome, X and Y chromosome combine with the egg of X chromosome, resulting the contribution of one extra X chromosome. So there is one excess X chromosome. So the combination becomes XXY in male. There should be this chromosome, X chromosome, but there is a excess X chromosome in Klinefelter's syndrome. This is a combination of sex chromosome where one copy of extra X chromosome is present. So symptoms: males with some development of the breast tissues, normally seen in females. Little body hair is present. Such persons are typically tall, have small testes. They are infertile due to the absence of sperms. Evidence of mental retardation may or may not be present. This is the karyotype of Klinefelter syndrome. Here you see there should be two X and Y chromosome, but here is a extra X chromosome. This one. These are the symptoms or characteristics. Those are found in the body of Klinefelter's syndrome person. Mainly small testicular size, pattern of pubic hair, hips, breast development. These are some symptoms of Klinefelter's syndrome. The person who is suffering from Klinefelter syndrome, these characteristics are found in his body. Now the Turner syndrome, next disease is there, disorder is there. So Turner syndrome is associated with the underdeveloped ovaries in female, short stature, webbed, and is only in the women. Bulk neck, broad chest. Individuals are sterile, means infertile, and lack expected secondary sexual characteristics in female. Mental retardation typically not evident, and this is chromosomal or and monogenic. So these are the symptoms of Turner syndrome. See here, the absence of X chromosome in these individuals. There should be two X chromosome, but here is only one. So the absence of X chromosome is there, and this are having the sex chromosome combination like this XO. Absence of one X chromosome. Now some pedigree charts are there. So this is the pedigree chart of autosomal dominant pedigree. Autosomal dominant characteristic pedigree is there. So this chart, if both sexes involved and generations not skipped, so this type of pedigree chart shows the autosomal dominant trait. This chart is showing autosomal recessive pedigree. Here both sexes involved and generations skipped here. This shows the autosomal recessive pedigree. Now sex linked pedigree is there. So here it is found in males only. A generation skipping, it doesn't matter here. So these are some examples of pedigree charts. Sex linked, autosomal recessive and autosomal dominant.